Have a new child or need to claim a relative as a dependent this year? If you're not sure where to add them in TurboTax, you're not alone. Today, we're adding a dependent to your tax return, step by step. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Let's break it down. Claiming a dependent can make you eligible for valuable tax credits like the child tax credit or the credit for other dependents. The right section, Personal Info. The best place to start is in the Personal Info, or Your Family, section of TurboTax. Here, you'll be asked about your filing status and dependents. Click Add a Dependent to begin. The details: name, SSN, and relationship. You'll need the dependent's full legal name, social security number, date of birth, and relationship to you. TurboTax will then ask a series of questions to determine if they qualify as your dependent under IRS rules. And that leads to my crucial pro tip: have their social security card handy. The most common error when adding a dependent is transposing numbers in the SSN or misspelling the name. Having the actual social security card in front of you ensures you enter everything correctly and avoids delays in processing your return. So, just like that, you're set up to claim the tax benefits you deserve for supporting your dependents. Accurate information goes a long way in a smooth filing experience. Now I'm curious, are you claiming a child for the first time this year, or an older relative? Let me know in the comments. Let me know your thoughts down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.